Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies cardigan, shawl, baby blanket, frocks, caps, jackets. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern I have used basic cast on and ribbing. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 12 stitches plus 3 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border. This pattern is of 24 rows. For demonstration I have taken 29 stitches. So let us start now. Our pattern begins from right side onwards. First, fifth and ninth row will be same. Now it's our first repeat pattern. For first repeat, purl 3 stitches and then knit 3 stitches together from front loop. Three stitches together from front loop. Now yarn over and knit 1 stitch 3 times. Again yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Third time yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Now yarn over and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, purl 3 stitches and then knit 3 stitches together from front loop. Now yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Again yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Third time yarn over and knit stitch. Now yarn over and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our second repeat pattern. Now last 4 stitches, purl 3 stitches and purl edge stitch. This is our first row of the pattern. Now onwards, second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th and 12th row, knit on knit stitches and purl on purl stitches. This is our second row. Now third row from right side. Onwards, third, 7th and 11th row will be same. Slip first stitch, then repeat pattern, purl 3 stitches and then knit 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Repeat these stitches till the end of the row. Fourth row from wrong side, knit stitches on knit and purl stitches on purl. Here we have completed our fourth row. Now onwards, repeat these 4 rows twice. That means 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th one time, and then 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th second time. Repeat these 4 rows. After completing 12 rows, our pattern will look like this. Now we will change the pattern. For that, row 13th, 17th and 21st will be same. From right side, slip 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch, then knit 1 and yarn over twice, again yarn over and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. Now from here our repeat pattern begins. Purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Now knit 3 stitches together from front loop. After that, yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Second time yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Third time yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Now yarn over and knit 3 stitches together from back loop. This is our first repeat pattern. Now purl 3 stitches. Now knit 3 stitches together from front loop. Now yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Again second time yarn over and knit 1 stitch. Now last 2 stitches, knit 1 stitch and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our 13th row. Now 14th, 16th, 18th, 20th, 22nd and 24th row will be same. Knit on knit stitches and purl on purl stitches. Knit as stitches appears. Here we have completed our 14th row. Now 15th row from front side. Now onwards 15th, 19th and 23rd row will be same. For that, slip 1 stitch and then knit 6 stitches. After that, purl 3 stitches. And now repeat pattern. Knit 9 stitches and then purl 3 stitches. This is our repeat pattern. Purl 3 stitches. Here we have completed our repeat pattern. Now last 7 stitches. Knit 6 stitches and purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our 15th row. Now 16th row from wrong side. Knit on knit stitches and purl on purl stitches. Knit as stitches appear. Here we have completed our 16th row. Now onwards, row 13 to 16 we have to repeat twice. After completing our 24 rows, our pattern will look like this. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and share it, and if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye friends.